Every time you open up RYU-0001, if you get this error here, RYU-0001 error, keys not found, it means that the prod keys are not set up inside the RYU-0001 folder. So we're gonna fix this. Click on OK here and minimize the RYU-0001 emulator. Now launch your browser and then go to this website here, ryujinxemulator.com. Go to knowledge base and we're gonna go to prod keys. In terms of legal view, you are supposed to get the prod keys from your own switch console. You're gonna come here and then grab it from this link here. Follow this link and get the prod keys. We have the prod keys here, RYU-0001 prod keys version 19. Since it's in zip form, we're gonna have to extract, right click and then extract. It's been extracted here. Open this extracted folder. We have the prod keys and we can copy these prod keys. Title keys are optional. What you can do is you can copy these both. Control C. Once it's done, close this and open RYU-0001. Go to file and go to open RYU-0001 folder. Inside the RYU-0001 folder, go to system subfolder and paste the keys here. Control V. Once it's done, close this. Now if you close and relaunch RYU-0001, so the previous error has gone and the prod keys are successfully set up. Just give a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write in the comments and subscribe to my channel.